Hello there, folks. Your boy Dominoes 7 here. It's Facebook Live. Today's December the 24th, 2023, Christmas Eve. It rained Christmas Eve. Yep. Mm-hmm. Yeah, what a rainy day. And gonna be a rainy night. Okay? Close to a rainy night as far as that. On this Sunday Christmas Eve, you know. Yeah. I don't like winter rains as far as that. Hmm. It was wet this morning though. Yep. All right, y'all. I hope y'all people is enjoying y'all time by the fireplace or anything else. You know, y'all in y'all house safe and sound and stuff like that. You know, hope y'all inside safe and sound, which I love to hear. You know, I don't think no mailman passed on Christmas Eve. Well, we'll have to see. I don't think no post office is open at this time. Okay, then. I'll see y'all later.